I'm sick again. This time it's my nose. My eyes are watering too. I think I just have a cold. I look like poop. There you go. Better to look like poop than to look like manure, though. I'm not funny, I know. But just doing the shout out. Out. And even just go to Reindeer, Satoriax Reindeer. That's my friend. She did a shout out to me, so I'm returning the favor. Goodbye, friends.